Welcome to my weekly trade recap. I hope everyone had an insane week. I had an amazing weekend. Hedge fund managers, honestly, I don't even know what you're waiting for anymore. I'm right here. Let's start by looking at the economic calendar. I can see on Monday and Tuesday we have no red folder news for USD. For Wednesday we have PMI. Thursday we have unemployment claims, and Friday we had PCE price index. So looking at this, I would say most of my capital for Wednesday to Friday. Monday and Tuesday, unless I see high probability setups, I'm out of the market. Let's go about going to trading view. You guys know the drill. New York chart. I've already put the bar replay to Monday 10 a.m. 4 hour we can see that although price is temporarily bullish, long-term trend is still bearish, and we are currently in this bearish fair value gap. In the 1 hour we can see price has been going up the entire day. Classic Monday pattern, price goes up the entire day and it reverses around 10 to 11 a.m. after hitting a premium array, which is this bearish fair value gap. We go over to the 15-minute. We're just waiting for price to have a 5-minute market structure shift. So I targeted these equal lows here. Boom, there we go, full TP. It's quite insane, to be honest. 3.2 hour already, beginning of the week. So going to the next day. So 3.2 hours is insanely good. So first day of the week, honestly, we could even skip trading for the rest of the week, but you know me, I always want more. So let's go 10 a.m. We already know there's no significant red folder news on Tuesday either. So we look over here. It's a bit tricky because we have, no, it's not actually, we've already inversed. Wait, let's wait for one more, because it's not 10 a.m. yet. Boom. Okay, now we can see that we're currently in this bullish fair value gap, and we've inversed this 1 hour bearish fair value gap over here as well. So let's go to the 15-minute and see what's going on. Yep, we're currently in this, I think we had equal highs. Let me have a look. Nope, we didn't. Okay, we're currently in the bullish fair value gap. Go to 5-minute chart. I'm waiting for this bearish fair value gap to get inversed. Look at the time, all my trades are after 10. And boom, this was just magical because there was just no drawdown at all. This was around 1.5 hours as well, so we're already up 3.2 plus 1.5, 4.7 for the week. Let's go. Now we gotta go to Wednesday. I think Wednesday I took a loss. I'm not exactly sure. Let me confirm. Yeah, Wednesday I took a loss because honestly I was just waiting for a setup the entire day. And sometimes when you look at the charts a lot, you just feel like taking a trade. But this was the technicals were right, they just didn't work out because some trades are like probability losses and others are execution losses. Probability losses is that you have a strategy but doesn't work 100% of the time, and it's a loss. Execution is when the strategy worked but you didn't execute it properly, maybe close the trade too early or you did not place your stop loss properly. So let's see. And here on the 1 hour, I was quite surprised because on the 4 hour we were in this bullish fair value gap. We already fell a lot, and there's a gap here as well. So I was really expecting price to reverse after inversing this fair value gap, but we took an L. It was minus 1 hour, so now we're at 3.7 hour for the week. Thursday I made 200 points, and I'm gonna tell you how, why, and how price went exactly to my target. So if you go to a 4-hour chart, we can see that over here, this fair value gap hasn't been tapped. Go here, we see we have another fair value gap and price has tapped it. So fair value gap is an inefficiency, and price always likes to go towards these inefficiencies. So this was my target here. You can see the price on the right. It's 18,780 approximately. And if you go to the 5-minute, we have my classic inversion setup. 5-minute inversion setup. As soon as price took inverse this, I entered here and I was aiming for 1780. And this, as you can see, was a 200-point move from 1886 all the way to, I went to 740 if I remember correctly. Yeah, 740 and reversed exactly there. And the thing is, over here I was already done because I made 200 points and I was like literally done for the week. This was another 3-hour from 4.2, so that's already 7.2 hour this week. And I could have, to be honest, I should have taken it because I should have taken the reversal because we had a lot of liquidity over here. But I mean, 7.2 hour for the week, who can complain? But we saw over here as well, we had another of our bearish inversion gaps getting inversed. So if I took this trade, I would put my stop loss here and aim for this high. To be honest, I would even aim for this high because I know many retail traders have placed their stop losses with these equal highs here. Yeah, over here. Let's see what happens. Boom. That would have been another 2.3 hour. But I was happy with my 200 points of the day, so I was out. And then you go to the final day Friday, where we had, I think, the PC price index at 1:30 p.m. To be honest, Friday I was very sleep deprived and impatient, and I was stressed about other things. So I closed my trade early when I shouldn't have. And price was consolidating a lot. We had a lot of barcode price action as well. So if I go to, we're already in discount, and there's 1 hour fair value gap. We're looking for longs. If you look at the 5-minute, do you see what I mean? Barcode price action. When you see prices chopping around like this, doing nothing. As soon as we inverse this, I'll put it at 3 because it's very slow. A lot of consolidation here, which I didn't like, but price went to like on the way on top here because this was the target for the beginning of the week. If you go to 1 hour, I think you will see that there's a lot of, there was a lot of equal highs around here. 1 second, let me try 15 minutes. Over here and over here as well. And this untapped fair value gap. Sorry for changing them. These videos are all raw, so they were equal highs over here. A lot of equal highs here on this untapped fair value gap. Price did not go to this untapped fair value gap, but it definitely hit these equal highs. And yeah, this would be another 1.72 hour for the week. But I closed it at break even. As soon as price came here, I closed it, which was kind of dumb because price was going up. So yeah, the equal highs were here as well. You can see 1, 2. This was a good trade, but honestly, 7.2 hour for the week, you can't really complain. I'll make another video going more in depth about the trade I did on Wednesday, which is around 200 points. So yeah, I'm going to attach screenshots for my complimentary Telegram group where I post all these setups ahead of time. I have nothing to sell you, so if you want to get involved in that, link in description. Hope you guys have a good weekend. Use this time to backtest your trades and see where you went wrong, and improve your trading for the next week and don't repeat the same mistakes, and have a great weekend. Bye.